when we talk about signs and symptoms of foundation failure when you're on the inside of your home, the things you can look for are cracks in your foundation. So when a wall bows in, you're going to first see that in the mortar joint in a horizontal fashion. There'll be a crack inside that joint that usually goes from one end of the wall to the other. The second thing that you might notice is that crack starts to follow these mortar joints in a stair-step fashion. Thirdly, when it's very severe, you'll start to see the block wall start to shift in over the top of the floor, which is what we would call shearing. When we're talking about settlement, that can show itself differently. You may see a crack that goes through mortar joints and through complete blocks, and that also translates over to poured walls, where you're going to see a more vertical pattern. You may see that open more at the top than the bottom, and you may actually see a tilt in that wall. If you see any of these problems, just give American Water Works a call, and we're happy to take a look at them for you.